Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to open PDF file in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File, then come to sections right here. Click on Open. And this dialog box here is going to pop up. Locate where you have your PDF file. I have a PDF file in download folder. And I'll go ahead and select my PDF file, just like what you see right here. Having selected my PDF file, I'll hit on Open. And this is going to pop up right here. Import as text, curve, maintain paragraph, text flow, and formatting. Import comment and place a separate layer. Convert reusable object to symbol. Crop content to drawing page. Just click on OK and let all this check. Click on OK right here. Then here you go. Substitute missing or unsupported font. All these fonts here are not, some fonts in this document are not available or supported on your system or may not be supported in the future. Substitute fonts have been automatically selected. To change the font mapping, click on the name of the unsupported font and choose from the option provided below. This is something possible. What you need to do right here is to go ahead, click on OK right here. Then with that, you have your PDF right here, open up in your CorelDraw. So here you can easily edit your PDF. You can, some of it fonts that was changed right here, you can replace it with another font of your choice entirely, as the case may be. You can also work on the image right here. You can replace color. You can change as many as possible stuff right here. So you can see this particular object, I can change the color to another thing right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.